This is what it looks like when you get snowed in. I thought getting snowed in would be annoying. It wasn't. We woke up to a thick layer of snow, public transport stopped running, the snow was too high to drive, and even the gate to the house froze shut. We were properly snowed in. I put on my mum's old moon boots to walk to the supermarket with my husband. Just the essentials. The shelves were actually full, people were calm. I even found my favorite German chocolate. I didn't expect inconvenience to feel like this, like permission to pause, like the world getting smaller for a moment. Not worse, just softer.